Hello and welcome to the Braintek video tutorials. My name is Greg, owner of Braintek. Today I'm going to show you how to use the IT support app that we developed for our clients to make it easier to submit support tickets. Let's get started. Once we have the IT support application installed on your computer, you'll find an icon like this on your desktop. So let's open it up. Upon first opening, you'll notice that you need to type in a phone number and email. Let's go ahead and do that. And go ahead and click Save. You'll notice upon doing that we have a new version that's available. So go ahead and you can update if it asks you for that. And once updated, it'll come out with a newer version. You'll notice on the previous one, it had 1.000, and now we've got 1.002. So from here, we can go ahead and create a ticket. If we've logged into our support portal, we can create a new user request or user termination. We can take a look at your computer info, test the internet, look at some other Braintek video tutorials, visit the Braintek website, or click on settings. So if we click on settings, you'll notice that we have a portal username and password. If you have that information, you can sign in with that. And upon doing so, you'll be able to unlock the new user request and termination. And we'll get to that a little bit later. From now, what you can do is you can create a support ticket. So when you click on that, a little form will come up here and you can choose any type of category that you're having an issue with. You can take a screenshot by clicking the button here, or if you have some other detailed attachment, image attachments, you can attach that here. And then here you can just type in what you're having an issue with. And when you're ready, you can hit submit. It'll take a moment and it'll say your ticket's been submitted. Here we've got computer info. If you click on that, it'll give you some basic information about your computer. So if your support technician is asking for some more information that's detailed into this, they can help you open up that information. You can test the internet. And what's nice about this, it'll come up and tell you what your internet IP address is, if it can reach Google, if it can reach Google by its IP address, if it can ping your firewall gateway router on the network, and if it can ping the Braintek website. You click on here, this will open up a website that'll go to the Braintek YouTube channel. And here, this will open up the Braintek website. All right, let's go ahead and unlock the new user request and termination. So let's go to settings here, and we're going to type in our portal username and password. The username may not be the same as your email address, so if you're not sure, you can go ahead and ask your support engineer, and then we'll go ahead and type in the password that you have. When you hit save, it'll check to make sure that login does work. If it doesn't, it'll come back and let you know that you've got an incorrect username or password. And like I said, you can talk to Braintek support about getting that information if you don't already have that. Now you can see that the new user request and the user termination has been unlocked. So we can go ahead and click on that. And you can fill out the form for this. So this will be the name of the employee, their first, last name, what your username should be, the email address, any aliases. This could be like info at, sales at, those kind of things. Distribution groups, so if they're part of any groups like the sales department, accounting department, engineering department, you can put those in there. Do they need remote access into the system? Do they need VPN access? Oftentimes it's the same thing, but they may be slightly different. License type, so this will be for email. So do they need email only, Word, Excel, Outlook, just local or nothing at all? And what kind of software do they need to be installed? So this could be your industry specific, or maybe something as generic as I just need Adobe and Java, and that's it. What kind of network drives do they need, like access to the S drive, the P drive, the M drive, any specific printers that they need access to. So this could be maybe one that they've got sitting on their desk, or this could be the main copier down the hall. Who approved this? And so if you're not the main point of contact, maybe you need a manager approval. So you put that information in there and then submit. Same thing, very similar for the user termination. So we open that up. You can terminate the person. So hey, this person's leaving the company. Who's taking over for this person, and then any kind of details. What do you want to do with their old email? Do you want that forwarded to somebody else? Do you want grant full access to somebody else? any kind of additional comments, and then you submit that as well. That's pretty much it for the IT support app. I thank you for watching, and I would like you to have a great day.